viewers.
You're smiling,
Ano?
you're shining, no.
Sige na.
Always get on me. For sure, that's a trace of good times.
Pero pag yung sa mata niya, or contact lens. Bagang may piklatan. Oo, mga gusto ko na kulay. Oo talaga.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always get on me. For sure, that's what brings the love. The good times,
In bad times.
to be on your side forevermore.
Wala na tuloy tayong viewers.
That's what brings the love.
Babalik. Pagkasunod.
Nag-re-ano ako, relive ko.
Keep smiling, keep shining.
Welcome to Live Chat.
You can always count on me. For sure.
Ito mo, calling ko
That's what brings the love. In good times,
calling ko
bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what brings the love.
Wala na mag-live. May viewers ka na.
Hindi ko malumas. Masarap na to. Nagbebemba.
Thank you. Mga pingpang ko na dito.
Hi, top fans. Wala pa
Sir
si ano.
Fred! Hi, Sir Fred! Pilipinas always on phone.
Not really.
Not at all.
Not at all times.
Not all the time.
Yes. Hi, love. Ivano Pudetti. Hi, sir. Hi, Sir Fred.
Yes, really, yes, really. Sir Fred!
We're just making live to make you happy, Sir Fred.
I can't remember how, I can't remember why.
This is our day off.
Yes, really.
Yes, it's really, really yes.
We're waiting for Mike. When Mike going here, come here, we meet here.
Yes.
We come here.
You come also to the Philippines.
My wife would get machete if you meet here.
Oh, sorry. Regards to your wife.
Sir John! Hi, Sir John!
Hi, Sir John, amigos.
How could
This happened to me.
Thank you, Sir Fred, Sir John.
Regards to your wife, Sir Fred.
I tried to make a sound with no
Masaya to. My wife,
Yeah.
Sir Fred. Okay.
It would be machete. Hi, sir. I hope you're having a great time watching us. She's in other house, so I'm safe now. Oh, it's so funny. Maybe you come to my house also. Hi, Sir Fred.
Time 3 amigos. Yes, 3 amigos.
It's true.
Sir
So
John,
many beautiful. Thank you. It came from our mama.
So many beautiful girls.
Hi, Sir Marvin.
I just want to
Want to be here
swear
till Sunday.
how good it is having
Oh, really?
How would this happen?
Come here. Sir Fred.
You're welcome in the Philippines.
You're welcome in the Philippines. And into my heart.
Uy, magbabalik
You're
ako sa
welcome.
asawa na nag-aaral. Aw. Joke-joke man lang.
Yes. Hi, Sir Fred. Hey, Fred.
Aling kami, sir, pero ako muna sa paglalay ko. Di ba?
Hi, Marvin.
Pwede na nga siya mag-
They're sisters and brothers.
Ano man lang
I made my mistakes. Now it's around. Tonight goes on as I'm fading away. I'm sick of this life. It just was there. How could this happen to me?
I don't know.
How could this happen to me kung happen? Kanta na yun.
Kanta baga, how could this happen?
Oh,
Ano yun?
watching from Suriname, from
Kanta na yun.
near from Brazil. Good afternoon, Daryl Johnson. Hi, Sir Daryl.
Aray. Matchbox. Matchbox. Aray ko.
We're having a great time here at our favorite place.
Favorite hangouts.
Yeah,
Hangouts.
so good to see smiles.
Bagang may panghirap sa nama ka nga mag-English ha. Oo.
Thank you.
Para na ano siya.
I want to see your smile also. Oh, where's Abby Cheryl? Abby Cheryl.
He's sleeping. The happy sleeping. Sleeping the happy.
Yeah.
So good to see smile. Yes, thank you, Sir John.
Break down, and I don't know why.
Hi,
Crazy and
Sir Asa. Lazy as always sleeping.
Oh, he's also sleeping. Thank God.
Well, he's reserving his energy because he's going to the Philippines.
doing like Sir Fred? You doing like Sir Fred? Hi, Ace! Uy, single si Ace.
Hi Ace, I'm single. Hi Sir Ace, do you like chubby?
Nag-aslo yun si Ace. Naghanap talaga yun.
And I know
Hi Sir Joy Grace. Really is going to the Philippines? Really is going to the Philippines? Sabi ni Sir Fred.
Sino?
I don't know.
Mike is going to the Philippines.
Haha, chubby, yeah. Chubby but cutie. Do you have a service in the Philippines? What kind of service?
But stay a while, maybe didn't see a different side of me. I'm not crazy.
What kind of service, sir?
I know I can joke, but soon enough you gotta think of me. Now I
Oh, room service? A lot. A lot, sir.
in my sleep.
Sabi ni Ace.
With so
Yes, so Fred, 12 days to go. Meet Mike. 12 days.
Yes, take me away. Not crazy, I'm just a little loud.
Thumbs up.
Right now I get to, but stay
Oh,
a while.
hello, Cheryl.
See
Hello, Cheryl. Hi,
the
Donnie.
different side of me.
Thank you for likes. Who's that?
But soon enough you gotta think of me.
Thank
How
you.
are you?
Thank you for the likes. Hi, Sir Ace. Hi, Ace. Have amazing life, sis. Thank you. Sir Fred.
How are you?
12 days to go. I beat Mike wake up 3 a.m. this time, Cheryl. Yes.
Malay ko lang.
Don't forget to super chat the amazing host, guys and girls. Thank you, Ace. Wow. Do it first. Ace. Just do it.
Do it, do it.
Please. Aglis ka.
Please, guys. Do you know Hindi? No.
Ikaw makanta.
I know Hindu.
Ano?
Antonio. Oh, nakanta na yun? Di ba? So,
9, 9,
hi, sir.
7.
Antonio yan.
What's that? A Q&A sticker?
Mahal ka sa akin ka. Mahal ka sa akin. You're very welcome. Thank you. Do you know Hindi? No, we don't Hindi. We don't know Hindi. Ace done it many times before.
The
for
host. What it is?
See? Ace done it many times before for the host. Ace member.
1,
Ano ko no?
0.
Pardon?
Pardon, can you repeat
6,
your question?
7.
Super chats.
Super chats.
Yeah.
Okay, do super chats.
Yeah.
Is done it many times.
Many times. Double tap your screen, like, and subscribe, everyone.
Thank you, Sir Donnie.
Yeah. Hi, Sir Donnie.
Uy, mag-ano ka na din para mag-live ka na.
Hindi ako sumarang.
Ay, Jay, para YouTube yun. Meron mo palang YouTube channel. Ay, thank you, Ace.
Hi, Sir Ace. Thank you. You're so generous. God
Thank you,
bless.
Ace.
God
God
bless, Sir Ace. Is that the reaction? Thank you, Sir Ace. God bless you. You're so generous. Hi, Sir Donnie.
Thank you, Sir Tony.
It's
Donnie.
our beautiful face. It's natural. We don't have lipstick. We can't afford lipstick.
No blush on.
No blush on.
No foundation.
No foundation. No kilay or this one.
No
Eyebrows. Thank you, Sir Ace. We're having fun. I hope you too.
Thank you, Sir Ace.
Sir Ace, come to the Philippines. Yes. I don't have lipstick
Have a
either.
great night. Thank you, Sir Ace. I don't have lipstick either. Sir Fred.
Ano yung mahimo ka around live stream?
Sige na kayo. Ka.
Yes, you're natural beauties. Yes.
Malaman kayo. Ano ba ikaw?
It's the jeans.
Para pag may free time ka.
Walang halong chemical, natural. Thank you, Sir Donnie. Be generous to us. Sir Fred, buy me some lipstick. Hi, Sir Fred.
If I will be important to me,
You're welcome, darling. Thank you, darling Donnie.
Darling. Naging darling ka.
Hi, darling Donnie. Thank you.
Nakahanap na si my love.
Oh, my love, my darling.
Yes, ala. Hi, Kenka. Ay, wala pa pala. Yes! Yes! Yes, Donnie! Yes! Aray. Cheryl, check your notification.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Masusunod. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Baka mamaya nag-what is Not yet. Not yet. No.
Not yet.
What
No, no notification.
No notification. What happened, Sir Fred? Oh my God! Thank you, Sir Fred.
Thank you, Sir Fred. Ay!
Sir Fred, we buy foods. Okay na, mabakal na ako.
Thank you, Sir Fred. I love you.
Sir Fred, we buy foods. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred.
the one that the jacket? Maricar! He's asking for you. He's asking for you.
Nana, ang gusto niyo.
Thank you, Sir Fred. Mike's beer tab going up.
Okay, now, Mike's birthday.
You make pakilala. You make pakilala.
We buy foods. Thank you, Sir Fred. Sino naghapot? Nana, ang gusto niyo.
You have Sir Ronaldo.
Hi!
Maricar here.
Maricar. Maria Carmen.
Yes. Hi, Johnny. Nice talking with you, girls. Thank you. Hi, Classic.
Ay, sorry.
Is Mrs. Roller? Who's Mrs. Roller?
Nagsichika si Sir Fred.
Thank you, Sir Fred. Sige na, ikaw na.
You guys, you wanna send? You wanna send? The send.
Oh, the one in the mirror is beautiful. Yes.
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, Cheryl is my ruler. Cheryl is my ruler daw.
Magayon ko na, Sir Fred. Thank you, Mrs. Roller. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Hi, Jose Marie Marins. Hello. And Classic is her future husband.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Dear future husband. Yes, she's available. Rio de Janeiro. Hi, sir.
Thank you, Sir Fred.
Oh, your hubby's here.
Mike. Good morning. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Sir Mike.
Thank you, Mike.
We're the beautiful girls, friends of Cheryl.
Miss Roller ka pala ni.
Roller coaster.
Hi, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Sir Fred. I buy foods na.
Thank you, Sir Fred.
Tingnan mo, running the beer?
He said, stop running his beer. Tab higher, haha. Hi, Sir Fred. Thank you. You're so generous.
Ano ko, sir?
We might drunk. Hi from Brazil, Jose Marins. Jose. Hi, Jose.
Papa yung naki ko at si Daniel.
Hi.
Ano na lang, sutangon?
O, pwede. Kamo ko na na. Thank you, Sir Fred. You're so generous. Hi, Sir Joy. Rosauro.
Bakit tayo na ginagawa? Yung flower, ganun. I buy foods.
She gonna treat us. Hi from Europe, Gayo. Have a nice day too. Hi, Sir Classic. Hi, Sir Alex.
Diyan siya talaga. May pagkaon.
Ano to? Kay Bonnie Show? Hi, Sir Donnie. Hi, the girl in the class. You're so pretty, said Sir Donnie.
The girl in the glass.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Ano na lang yan, ha? Thank you, Donnie. Shanghai tapos
Yeah.
Donnie. Ay, yung Shanghai tapos sa tangan.
Yes po. Hi, Sir Donnie. She's Maricar. She's single.
Ito sa bagay, ito.
With a beautiful body.
With the beautiful body.
Yeah.
Yes.
Me, I have a lot of tabak. What is the occasion, ma'am? Wow, no, we're not taking a bath because we already take a bath earlier in the morning. Her name's Ardoni is Maricar.
Akala ko,
He's asking. Thank you, Sir Gio.
Pero ng panahon, bigla kayo
We're just having a great time because life is short. We need to enjoy it.
What's her name?
Yeah. Sir Ronaldo, we just need to be happy always.
May kapiling.
Oh, how are you doing, Maricar? He's asking Sir Donnie.
I'm good.
She's good. Thank you, Sir Nick. Thank you. God bless. Squirrel.
Siya nagkakot. How are you doing, ma? I'm good. Paghuna ko po
Si Ronald.
Hi, Sir Ronald.
At sa di sinasadyang huwag nagkataon.
Oh, Maricar.
Para bang ika'y nilalaro ng pagkaon.
Hi, Sir Donnie.
Lalabi nyo'y maglapit at inyong mga matay.
Party, party.
Ipabalo ako sa
Mabakal na kita.
Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko.
May singer kita. May background, ah.
Bakit ba hindi
Oh, I love you daw. I love you too. Sir Donnie. You answer na.
I love you too.
sino ang ibigin?
She said, I love you too, Donnie. She's so shy. Yeah, she need to drink a lot of beer so that she became brave. Brave enough to say I love you too. Sana all.
Hoy, mag-post ha.
Take care. Thank you, Sir Gio. Take care also.
Sino ang ibigin?
Sir Gio. Who is the short one in the middle? Maricar? Who is the short one? The kid. Oh, there's no minor here. How old are you, Maricar? She's 34.
Uy, pangbata ha?
Yeah. Look young. Feeling young. Virgin. Joking, it's Cheryl. Peace, yo.
Hi.
Hi, Sir Fred. You're so funny, Sir Fred. I want you to meet in person.
Where's hubby?
Happy baby.
May sunod pa yan?
Wala na.
Bagang gusto na.
Pinukaw niya siya. Tinawagan na natin. Tinawagan na natin.
It doesn't surprise me that these three women are single and virgins. Yes, of course. Because we're in the, what did you call this? In a country. Ano bang country natin? We're preserving it to adapt a very important person in our lives.
Yung sinasabi. It didn't surprise me that. Best revenge.
Oh, you sleep. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Back to okay. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Not all Filipinas, we are lang.
You are very beautiful.
Hubby's
Thank you
watching
po.
better.
Behave wifey. Well, she's behave.
I'm behave.
Yes.
I love you.
Me, I'm not behave. I'm too clumsy.
I love you, babe.
Roar.
Happy.
Roar. She laughs because she's so pure. Yes, we're pure. We don't have chemicals. It's all natural. No artificial added.
No, added.
Para sa preservative siya.
You guys, gusto mo pasaro na. May chicks pa kami din ang kahapon.
Yes, Sir Gio. Go. Work to save money.
Yeah, sure na virgin.
Baka mamaya maluwipat yung mga tagahaga natin. Huwag na, yan mo rin.
Oh, what's liquor Liki.
Liki-liki.
Oh, parang it's kinda, oh. Yes, 100% organic women.
I thought you like liki-liki.
Liki-liki.
Make Maricar sing so we can hear her voice. Oh, you
Okay.
sing. But we don't have money to hulog-hulog. Yes.
Ito na. Ask Cheryl Liki-liki.
Make Maricar sing.
Yeah.
You can. Oh, sige.
Maricar has no money to put in the karaoke. Ah. You might send Johnny. Johnny.
Si Donnie talaga na nga.
Yes.
Sa'yo mo si Carlos.
Yeah.
Ay, si Carlos.
Hi, Ronald. Ronald. You don't have money to hulog-hulog. You know hulog-hulog? To put in the karaoke machine.
Why?
Yes, Cheryl. You might great song Candy Liquor.
Oh, stop.
Stop.
Stop, Fred.
Sir Fred, no.
It's private. The lick is private, Sir Fred.
We know that.
Oh, thank you. We're so beautiful inside and out.
Send those dollars, Donnie.
Johnny, go!
Go, Johnny!
We might sing a lot of...
Stop.
Yeah. Stop.
Hi,
Oh,
Donnie.
don't stop. Not private at all.
Not private at all.
Had to change up my phone. I'm on tablet watching you now. Oh, yes. Change your phone. I change your tablet into phone.
Nauuyan mo ko sa
Johnny, thank you, Johnny.
Kay po ang manggana sa ano. Kay
Why?
challenge
Tigi.
Tig-tig-tig-tig ko
What is this?
May challenge sila sa
May show.
Tiniraan ka ano nila.
Donnie, where are you?
We need some coins to put into the vending machine.
5, 2, 7.
You sing, Maricar. Oh, this is for you, Carlos and Donnie.
Ma, nag-ano?
No.
Sino sabi?
Si Ronaldo. Hi, Sir Donnie. Hi, Sir Grace. Sir Joy Grace. Rosauro.
Pico side. Hi, Pico side.
Hello. Hello, my heart.
Standing beside you, wishing you always close to me. Nothing to tell you. Every night I see you in my dreams. To be with
Which one is Cheryl? This is Cheryl.
Never let you go. Right.
Hi, Sir Nick. I'm Mary Rose. And this is Maricar.
Reality. Oh, I pray for the day to come.
Wow, your song makes me fall in love, Mom. Ay, na-love na si Sir Ronaldo. Hi, Sir Chaco.
I feel the passion.
Oh, yes, Cheryl is my baby.
Inside my soul.
Bye.
Yes, Cheryl is my baby Pico side.
Know you touch me. If I know to be me,
We're all... I'm single.
I will never let you go.
Hello, Sir Clarence.
Fantasy.
Let's make our love
become reality.
Hi, Sir Clarence. Anderson. Thank you, Sir Ronald.
Malipat lang po siya.
Hello, Sir Clarence. Do you like Palawan? Yes, I want to go there. Why? You're going to Palawan? Palawan Pawn Shop? Hello, Sir Donnie from Kentucky.
Just have to be a
Thank you po Palawan Pontiac. Yes, you can.
Kentucky, USA.
Sabi ay thank you po Palawan Pontiac. You gotta send me, Sir Chaco, you're so bad. You, Sir Chaco, you're hurting my feelings. Thank you, Sir Ronald. That's a pure talent of Maricar. Beautiful voice with a beautiful heart. Char. Select song.
Okay na. Nasabi niya?
The one who sing is very beautiful. Yes, Sir Gio. What is your favorite song? So she can sing. Na 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 together as one. Na 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 together as one. Yeah.
Nakabudget kita sa ano. May kondo na. Nagka-budget na.
Yes, but she needs coins to put in the karaoke. We don't have a sahod right now.
Salary.
We don't have salary. Sir Donnie, we're waiting. Waiting for you. Cause I'll be waiting for you.
Hi, Sir Damian. Hi, Damian.
Hi, Sir Damian. Nice meeting you po. Hi, Sir Freddy Alejandro.
3, 3, 5, 5.
Damian.
Thank you, three of you, moms. You there are beautiful. God bless you, Sir Ronald. Celine Dion. Yeah, we can sing it. But we need money to put in the karaoke.
This is burning what is saying, cause then it might tell I am
Katy Perry. Yeah, later. Sergio. Girl, this game can last forever. Why? Sino yan si Robbie Classic? Ay, yun.
Classic siya si Mike.
Ay, hi, Sir Mike.
Siya si Mike. I love you, Mike.
Cheryl is very happy now. You're watching.
Thank you, Mike.
Oh, it's your decision, Sir Abandon.
Wow, great singing. Yes. Thank you, Mike.
Sir Mike, welcome to the Philippines. Later. Have a safe flight.
We will meet you soon.
We will meet you soon. We were having fun. Enjoy. Hi, Sir Nick. Why are you laughing? Laughing so hard.
5-star hotel.
Save me forever. Yes, every time we die, this love is never ending, babe. Let them feel love from me.
Thank you.
I feel such a feel, oceans under me. Only love is this heart, but I know you.
Thank you, Boss John. Black is black.
example or you will be kicked out.
Oh.
Thank you, Mike. Comment. Fantastic.
Maricar. Yes, she's fantastic to sino. Yes, Sir Donnie, she's fantastic to sino.
Ay, biglan. Thank you, biglan.
Hi, thank you, Biglon. I love you, Biglon.
PayPal, may PayPal. Dere PayPal ko yun.
Welcome to live chat. Remember,
Thank you, biglan.
how to please na to sige. Sorry. Maghinguha mo ng mga 3 ladies. Rasya labot. Hi, sir.
Dahil sa'yo'y nararamdaman kung di mo wala puso'y babala tayo pagkat ka namamastan.
Hi, from Poland, Sir Thomas. Yeah. Hello, girls from
Thank you so much.
Yes, she can do it for you, Ronald.
Dahil sa'yo, puso't ang ito ay nagpapamagmahal.
Like a virgin.
Sadya bang ganyan? Sana pag-ibig na natarang ay pagkaingatan. Huwag paglalawan dahil minsan lang umibig.
Ang napili
Ay ikaw,
Huwag sanang sasaktan.
puso na sa'yo ay nagmahal.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes.
Thank you, Mike. You will be the 12 days.
Nang aking
Counting days.
Alin ka at walang iba.
Enjoy the Philippines.
Lahat-lahat sa akin ay
Ikaw lang talaga. Puso'y huwag paluluhay.
ang pagsama ko'y bigay. Tunay na tunay, mahal ka sa akin.
Mahal ka sa akin.
Dahil sa'yo,
Thank you, Sir Ronald. Nice to meet you po.
sadya bang ganyan?
Ano pa ba yan?
Sana
Please request a song.
I love you.
Oh, by Celine Dion.
Dahil minsan lang umibig, ang napili ay ikaw. Huwag sanang sasaktan, puso na sa'yo'y nagmahal.
Nagmahal.
Tawag ng aking
Si
damdamin,
Carlos siya.
sa'yo doon.
Hi, Carlos.
Lahat-lahat sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga. Puso'y huwag paluluhay. Ang pagsama ko'y bigay.
Mike, you're from Poland, right?
Mahal sa akin.
Anong sabi? Masabi? What's my cake strawberry?
Later. It's not. It's preparing. Oh no. So hindi lang.
Sa akin ay ikaw lang talaga.
Later, I will send you my strawberry cake. Yummy.
Pagsama ko'y bigay. Tuloy na tuloy, mahal ka sa akin.
Okay.
Mahal ka sa akin.
Mahal ka sa akin.
Tara sa kanta na sila hindi na namin niyo kay Mona.
I love you.
Kurman nga, hindi dito.
I love you guys. I'm not saying the song.
Hindi niyo. Kasi hindi yung I love you. May love you ko nag-after di mo kanina. Di ba kansilin?
Kagayon. Kagayon na deliver ko. Thank you.
Baka I love you ito ha. I love you. Said I love you but I lie.
I love you.
Pero pag ako, grabe pag sa I love you. Sa
Sila I love
tuwa,
you,
tulo,
but I
apat,
lie.
lima, amak sa pito. Pero ako na si Lindy yun.
Pito na I love you, pero wala din sa iyo.
Wala.
Hindi ba I love you? Una na yun, no?
Nakahiwalay sa
Ay, ano
baba.
na kasi, May?
3869.
Kadaga sa tunay na sa taso.
Siya naman, I love you. Yes. O, di ba ako nakahanap sila I love you?
Ano ba?
Umiwas ang I love you, ah.
Love so burning. I'm tired of being rain.
Damian.
Shine your light.
Damien live in Florida from 2001 until 2008 now and Northeast Pennsylvania. Collins. Fabulous, outstanding Maricar. I love you too, especially Maricar. Mike, my landlord, when he was
May
enlisted,
trivia.
he was on Golden Air Force Base. Now he is retired.
Pennsylvania.
For Pennsylvania, good job.
Said I love you but I lied.
Oh, why die?
This is more than I feel inside.
Love you but I was wrong. Because isa na lang. Nagbuwa lang ako. Nagbuwa lang siya. Sinabi lang niya na mahal niya pero di rin magpangita. Said I love you but I lie. It really hurts.
Oh, parang dire. Nagsabi.
When you say you love me, it's true. It's true.
Sabi man yung kapag man daw ko.
Dire ba sa? Ginawa ko.
Hi, sir.
This test.
The meaning of the song, it's very
Problem
hurts.
sa cheating. Kasi sabi ko, I love you.
Yeah.
Hindi mo ba na gusto mo? Cheating.
It's about cheating.
I'm not cheating on you, Mike. I love you, but not lie.
So many reasons and so many ways.
My life has just begun.
I
Need you forever. I need you to stay.
I love
You
you.
are the one. You are the one.
Mike, you are the one to Cheryl.
Said I love you, but I lie.
I love you, but not lie. It's true, Mike.
Yes,
This is
legit.
more than I feel inside. Said I love you, but I was wrong. Says I never feel so strong.
Said I love you, but I lied.
Hi, Glenn. Thank you,
Hi, Glenn. Hello, Glenn. Watching again. What's next? Oh, sa akin na yung Black
Madali
is
na rin
Black.
dalan, ha?
Yes. Income.
Madali na rin ka, ma.
Madali doon.
Money. Yes, Maricar is singing.
You need to be
Power of Love.
back, you
Sige, sila ang request ni Ronald. Power of Love.
You're the one, Maricar, very beautiful lady.
Yes, she's the one.
You send support by
Please send support to Maricar so that she can sing a lot
by sending
by sending GCash or PayPal. Thank you guys. Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, Ronaldo. Send now. Please. So that she can sing a lot of songs. Please, Sir Donnie. Yes, Sir Donnie, please. Please, please. Oh, 300 euros to the one who wins out of you three in fight. What kind of fight? Go, go. We make boxing. 300 euros daw. Yes, sir, go. We gonna fight each other to win your heart. Rar. Rar. it now, please.
Sino ma-send?
Thank you, sir. What's that? ETTTT 242.
Sabi niya,
Yeah. Yes, that's mine. Black is black. This is for you. I hope
Black
it's
is
not
black.
black.
makibasa ako comment. Apat
Yeah. You entertain them, Maricar.
Said hi. Said hi. Hi.
Hi.
Sino ko na parang nasa kapag ako sinan mga gana sa putusok na. Sa med natin ano.
Black is black. I want my baby back. It's gray, it's
Thank you so much.
gray. Since you went away, oh, what can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue. I find my way. She'll be back today, but she doesn't come to see me again. What can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue. I can't do too much to lose. My love was so strong. Maybe she will come back again, and I can't go wrong. It's bad that I feel so
I will send that
sad.
you once you can
It's
remember.
time
I sent you that.
that I found so fine. Oh,
Yes.
what can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue.
But I have a feeling you're the one who's
I
going.
can't do
one who's singing.
nothing to lose. My love was so strong. Thank you.
Yes, Red.
Maybe she will come back again, and I can't
Kasi
go
ako nagkakawa ka ni
wrong.
Ronald. You're hiding something from someone, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Hi, sir. Oh my God, by hurting your ears. You're so bad.
It's black. I want my baby back. It's
Yung
gray, it's gray.
sa'yo mo sa board. Kaya talin ako na nag-ano.
I hate you.
Si Dolly ba
What can I do? 'Cause I'm feeling blue. 'Cause I'm feeling blue. 'Cause I'm feeling blue. 'Cause I'm feeling blue.
Mura sir tubig?
Okay. You hurt my feelings.
Pero may mineral tubig.
Sir Mike. Yes.
Kanina ba ako nakabakalod?
Ay, so, tingnan ko na ka.
I'm heading through the wilderness. Somehow I made it through. Didn't know how lost I was until I found you. I was beat, incomplete.
Kamiso lang.
I've been had,
Feel.
Sure, 11 days, 22 hours na. Yes, 11 days.
This is like a virgin.
Pag anak ko dito tubig, kanino mo na tabi na
Touch for the
Ay,
like a virgin.
Fred. Thank you, Sir Fred. Sabi na. Ay, yan po ng pagkaano. Thank you po. Oh, my God. Thank you. Thank you.
big 7 'cause only love can last. You're so fine and you're mine, make me strong. Yeah, you make me bold, though you long don't out.
Mary Magdalene.
Cheers. We don't have it
Like a
here.
virgin,
May oras na.
touch for the virgin.
Cheryl, 11 days. Cheryl, 11 days and
Like a
24.
virgin, when you hold
One
me
time as usual, yes.
next to mine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're so fine and you're mine. I'll be yours till the end of time. 'Cause you made me feel. Yeah, you made me feel. I have nothing to hide. Like a virgin. Like a virgin, when you heartbeat next to mine. Oh, feels so good inside when you hold me and you touch me and you love me. Whoa.
Let's eat, guys.
Let's
Thank you
eat.
for the treat.
Thank you for that treat, Sir
Sir Fred.
Thank you, Sir Fred.
Naman, I love you.
And I love you.
So,
I must be crazy now. Maybe I'll be too young.
Cheryl,
But let me think of you.
you eat.
I love to feel your touch, to experience you. Words are all the same, words only beauty. If only you were mine, I wish I could be back to the very first day I saw you. Should you be my woman,
Paano ka naman sila ng mora?
Cause my love never feel the way that I do. And I'm wasting your time with you by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. Cause you and I promise that you'll always be together.
Nakataon siya.
Nakamay ka lang pa.
With your donation, you are making her wider than she is tall. Okay. Classic, if you keep feeding like her like this, she's eventually going to be unable to get through the door. Huh?
Get to the dark, why not to the light? Pwede yan.
Thanks
Eat, guys.
Thanks for the singing.
Yeah. Thank you for the treat, Sir Fred.
Madam Cheryl.
Madam Shell.
Pwede mo.
Thank you for the foods.
Baka ano mas ako kakulit mo.
Tara, sige.
Nakagi mo. Baka may galit sila. Hello, let's eat, guys.
Hindi ko na maiba yung camera dito. We have a very important person. Bawal sa camera. Ayaw. Are? Ikaw. Hindi mo dapat na si Ma'am, si Ma'am Hemsky. Isang sa YouTube. Hindi ka Hindi ka presa. Tago.
Dili ka preso, mas tahog ba?
Para gawan.
I love
Para gawan,
you.
logi termi.
Please say you love me too.
Ang nag-ano sa'yo mo, si Carlos. Si Donnie sa ako.
Mga ganun.
Hello.
Mga ano mo talaga yun? Hindi mo talaga talaga.
Ano ba?
I was going to eat, but it was just right for you. No!
Iyada na
I can eat you. Sorry.
Kumbaga, ano yan,
You can eat
moderator
me.
ko yan. Ibig sabihin, friend ko na talaga sa
Hi, Sir Ronaldo.
Okay.
You're welcome here. Go flight and eat with us.
Hindi ka nila. Dali, kumain mo ka dun.
Gaman. Kaong ka mamayag.
Bagan diri man ini.
Limang. Limang gisa. Kailangan nila sa
Kaya mo sabi ko bagan diri man ini.
ang tapin.
Di pa nga ako tapos na.
Sinamari mo ba?
Ay, turo nga ngayon kita. Sige na, Cheryl. Sige na, go.
Tapos na nasabi mo na.
Liman, ulitin mo. Mari di ka na balik.
Para lang sa inyo. Kung ano ito malasang sa maska, di ba okay na? Diba?
These 3 words!
Sana mabuti mas.
Ini nga bagang inano na toyo lang. Parang sa tubig, pinakalagda na lang.
Ano yan? Para sa akin, skin. To give it to Maricar. That's how important it is.
Skin joke. Ano yan?
What skin joke? Are we joking?
Are you, comedian?
Are you
Nasabi niya?
You making me laugh.
You making us laugh?
Sino nagsabi si Donnie?
No, yeah.
Ronaldo.
It's Ronaldo.
Ronaldo? Nasabi.
I don't understand too.
But you reacted.
Because the way he, what did you mean?
Yet I need a lot of energy.
Yes!
Just give it to Maricar.
Too much
That's how
bonbon.
important it is.
Where is our ano?
Alam mo,
Di ba may nangako kanina ng 300 something euro?
Nalok siya. 300 Mahalo niyo.
Sabi niya.
Nani mo no? Nakayo tayo ka tayo.
Yes, I need a lot of energy because when you come here, a lot of boom boom.
Yeah. That's a boom boom. Maganda mga radyo.
A lot of helicopter.
Pwede ho nun hindi helicopter talaga.
Oo, kaysa sa day ka, dako siya.
Paano yun?
Basta I will teach you how to do.
Nagrula lang. Ang helicopter ko.
Stop.
Ikaw na ito.
Tapos,
Tapos ipatunog mo na, hawak ko ang brake. Labawat galaw mo.
you know helicopter, ha?
I will do it for you.
Tatangin ang ating presidente. Sorry na.
Hindi rin siya na
Hi, Sir Mike.
Sir Mike, what is helicopter style?
Yeah.
Mga normalon lang ako.
Maybe it's your favorite style. Later, when you go
Girl,
naughty girls, only on talking. Yeah.
you know how to, Mike, helicopter? masabi sila.
What is skin joke? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Mike, what is skin joke?
Are you bothered?
I think Kermit the Frog does a great invitation of helicopter imitation. What are you there? What are you three doing? Eating.
We're eating, Ronaldo.
Are you eating?
Someone send us money. Oh, it's a missionary.
I like only missionary style. Very simple.
Oh, it's yummy.
Sino missionary?
Mas bakit ang missionary?
Mga kasunay naglulunod. Ako yung 22.
You like missionary?
Okay, we'll go to Madre.
We will practice it.
Di ano?
Rone Villanueva. Very simple lang daw ko na missionary. Anong simple? Ang hirap nun sa amin.
Ano ba ang missionary? Iba mo na naimod ko sa bulog na missionary.
Alam mo yun.
Ay, lahod.
22.
Araman mo. Hindi ko yun aram. So, I'm virgin. I'm sorry. I like only missionary.
Pag nakaluhod na
Please, teach me how to doggy.
My goodness.
My goodness.
Very simple ko na missionary.
For you, because you're acrobat.
Shit, maganda.
Kaya nga.
Oo, ay. Pag nag-missionary, abot mo yung biho.
Aray ko.
Kaya di ulang mo.
Hindi man isip pa sa... Wow!
Wow.
Paldo.
Doggy is too much mahirap. It's too much work mahirap. Too much work daw the doggy.
But it's yummy.
Pagka sabi na virgin, no?
Virgin pa ito. Sabi na, virgin ba yan? Ba't ang dami niyang alam?
Because of the ano?
Because of the internet. I watch the dog style. It makes the woman scream. Yeah.
Cream.
Scream.
Cream.
Scream. Parang nagsisiyak.
Sobra na si Rama.
Yeah. Where is that ways, ma'am? Oh, it's only in the Philippines. You come and visit me. I ask. It has a beautiful view.
Maulo yung may lasa nga.
Hey, Sir Ronald. You're not sending flower or stars or gifts. We need it.
Ano, daddy pa no, super chat.
Wow, your girls are too much.
Extremely dirty mind.
No, no.
And I tried not to think of anything when I'm here. I think I need to leave before I see something that gets me blocked from this channel. No worries.
No worries.
No worries, Damien. We open-minded.
We're open-minded. We're not green-minded.
No dirty mind. That's open-minded. Need to be open-minded because fun.
There's no close-minded. So, we need to open.
Pag nag-iirat ang doon, asa tanong ano ba?
Ganyan lang.
Saka dito,
Ako lang. Nakamda ako nito.
magkaroon ako na to, Beo.
Lang yun. Libre man lang yan.
Ikaw parang hirpan.
Thank you, Sir Fred.
Sir Fred, I love you. From the moon and back.
Ito naman yung ba?
Yeah. Back to back.
Open-minded, naughty girls. Oh my God.
Thank you, Mike.
Thank you, Mike.
You're so supportive to Cheryl. We're our good, good babies. We are good Samaritan.
Aray mo. Maubos mo na ako sa kapitsig dahil.
You ask water again.
Sinasakot na ng sarap. Ito sakot dahil siya.
Hindi.
Sakot.
Pagkaw na mo, ito ka, may pig na ka man dito. Tumakon ka lang doon natin
Sino
siya.
ito na sa'yo?
Ako.
Si Ma'am Eps.
Oh, next time na, ito si Mami.
Oo ba? Sabi ko na sa iyo eh, minsan, okay man yun. Para maimod niya kung ano ang mga galawan natin.
Invite nato si Mami.
We don't have, we have nothing to hide.
Nasa kainin.
Hindi niya tulog.
Pag
Dili
wala.
pag ano na yan, pagtulog niya.
Oh, pag may time na.
Ay, ma'am, pwede ka po magpapod. Gusto mo, invite ko po ikaw.
Ay, kami pwede ako magka.
Ayaw, didi.
Di rin mong didi.
Kuan.
Dire.
Sa kubis ko, kaya lang sa kubis. Uwasan ang sabi. Dito ka na.
Dire.
Invite ka dito sa home.
Dire.
Sa home kayo.
Ay, may dito pa.
Mabaka na lang. Dire, mabaka na lang dito.
Tapos,
Dati dito ka na.
pwede bigay.
Pwede ba?
Kaya kung
Badi bawal.
Badi bawal.
Pwede yun.
May darangan niya kita mo ko.
Maan naman kita ho.
Ako itong taga.
Mabaka na lang kita doon sa halimbawa mga
Oo.
grades or something na ano.
Ay, ako, mas mayan.
Ang pagka.
Sabi oh,
Mabaka
Maricar,
na lang kita sa
34, virgin,
halimbawa.
impossible, single,
Pero sa diyan,
that's...
mga paper.
Well, it's not impossible, Sir Ronald. We are in the...
Is Fred in
Ano
here?
bang
Sir
country
Fred
na to?
here earlier.
Para sa Amerika, na
Maricar 34 virgin.
liberated. Na,
Impossible single that. Tagalog is very difficult. Thank you, Mike.
Hindi nakita liberated. Pero open-minded.
We're not liberated like
We are not liberated, but we
Yes.
are
But
open-minded.
we're open-minded.
Hindi ka
Because-
na hanggang sa bansa na ako, may tamang na term. David Brown.
Open.
Okay. But virgin. Yun
Hindi
talaga
talaga-
Sir Ronald,
Hindi
you
kasi
like
sa ibang
Marica,
bansa,
but
ibang
you're not
bansa, ano?
sending stars or
Sa ibang
anything.
bansa kasi 18. Hindi na virgin. Halos kadalasan.
Imported nga ni ano na.
Tinaga-explore na sila.
Abon mo nga ni 40 anos virgin pa.
Hindi, sa mga batang na English, mas talaga ng virgin. Pero niya, parang marami kung may virgin pa.
Hindi, kinakapindi rin ba?
Naka?
Ang tuwan, kapindi.
Actually, she's pretty, but I can't believe she doesn't have a boyfriend. Di rin na siya makapaniwala na single
Sukot
ka.
magini mo.
Ronaldo, if what if she's not a virgin? You still like her? What if she's just joking?
Sabi mo, she's waiting for the right one. To the rightful owner. Maricar is waiting for the right one, Ronaldo. That's why she's not giving up her virginity. And that's what you call respect for herself. Okay?
Respect.
Okay, Ronaldo.
Respect for
So if you don't believe her that she's still virgin, it's your problem.
it's up to you.
It's up to you. It's up to me. Yeah.
It's up to you.
Thank you, Ronaldo. I hope that we answer your question.
Rewrite the star.
Actually, she's pretty, but I can't believe she doesn't have a boyfriend. So you mean if she have a boyfriend, that's she's not virgin anymore? Ha, Ronaldo?
Why do you care?
Why do you care too much?
Nakahira na bigla ka na. Enjoy yung ka.
Yes, because it's below the belt.
Too much.
It's too much. You're asking too much for Maricar, but you're not sending gifts. How could me? She's my friend. Oh, I respect you, ma'am. Please be patient. Only humans make mistakes. Yes. That's why I accept your sorry, even if you're not saying sorry.
Mapinit.
Okay? You're getting into my nerves, Ronaldo. Ronaldo. into my nerves.
Ba't umina yung uniform?
Ano ba yun?
Yes, I like your uniform.
You're getting my nerve.
You're getting to my nerves. I care for my friend. That's why you should respect her. Stop asking
Lalak
too
mo yun?
much. Hi, Sir Ronaldo.
Puti yun.
Nice to meet you.
Ano na sabi ni Ronaldo?
I respect you, ma'am. Please be patient.
He's
Only
thinking.
humans make mistakes. Tao lang nagkakamali.
Yes.
Yes.
Para sa sige na. Sunod daw. Uy, mood na pa man.
Hindi na ako sila maigil.
Mas magayon siya. Ah, parang
Magayon man siya.
magayon siya, kaso nakaitong talaga.
Sinabi sa kasabi lalak.
You're a nurse. I will heal my heart with you. No.
Parang no.
I'm not a nurse.
But,
But I can heal your heart by respecting us. Thank you, Ronaldo.
you're getting my nerve.
You're getting into my nerves, into my heart, into my soul. Is that a music?
Napilit ka?
Feeling cold.
Sobrang ano.
Can I hug you?
Napilit ko na siya bigla.
Napinit man talaga. Kaya.
I believe experience is a good thing. Yes, Damien.
The best.
That's right.
Experience the best.
Sometimes experience is what? Hindi, maman talaga.
Experience is a good thing, yes.
Experience is the best teacher.
Cheryl, Freda sa brownout might not be able to do live unless it comes back. Okay? Okay, message me when he doing live today.
Yeah.
Always brown out. Same here.
Today, in our area, it's black out. You brown out.
brown out.
Brown out din sa kanara.
Nagba-brown out sa para
Di, brown out din ang ang gahoy or black out.
Paano? Yan din na si Sir Friend pag-i-start sa Pilipinas.
Oh, that's why.
Sa ibang bansa, blackout.
Mm. It looks like Christmas. It's always black out.
Pinit na si Friend. Gusto mo, ikupong ka na mo.
Yes.
Pwede ako may muda, kay tulok ako.
Badi na puot na ugal.
Makasunod na. Dili man naubusan pagka.
Kaya kasang kita natulog na, gusto ko.
Ay, at least tulo lang kita sa tulo.
Makaskip pa nun. You're getting into my nerves.
Hindi mo ang pagtawar. Sabi ko.
Sir Mike, we can't wait to meet you.
We're excited to meet you, Mike.
We're so excited. Have a safe flight.
Safe flight. I am 45. I like woman.
My own age. Not 18-year-old that are confused and I can't figure out what they want. Yes! We're not 18. We're 32, 34, and baby
41.
face.
I'm not 34.
I'm older than them.
How old are you then?
37.
Oh, but you look like 32.
Ay, buwang nga.
Yeah. Hi, Damian. It's your choice. It's your music.
Ah, Damien, we are it is tribe.
Nagkaroon ako sa New York.
Maanmas ka din yung
Makamamarit yun, ha? Makamamarit. Pag-una natin matin.
O, di ba nagkawan ba ka dati sa nalumi?
Ang lumi, masiram. Kaya lang, di ba mo ni Presket, puro garlic.
Abong sa garden.
Suwag.
Thank you very much, the three of you. I'm just a human being. It's okay. We all human. I'm only 18. You girls like younger men? No, we don't like boy. We like men.
Younger men? Maybe not.
Coconut. We like men, not boy. Pag ganyang edad, laro-laro pa yan.
Hmm?
Kapasunan mapaano eh.
Kapag
Ito ba
mapadudo.
matok to? Pag siguro nga, mapadudo ka mag-iapon, uy.
O palan. Sorry. Ganun yun.
Sorry.
Naintindihan ko
Sorry.
na missionary niya. Very simple.
Kaya pa sa'yo ba yung sasabing missionary?
Kaya nga eh. Missionary, naintindihan ko na very simple lang daw talaga
Pero
missionary.
simple.
Very simple. Sa iyo. Simple.
Sa
Sa
ko
mo.
mga bayag niyo.
Share sunan makasabi.
Ayuha. Banay mo pa, missionary mo na ako.
Magsabi ka totoo ha. Sabi ka masama ka to.
Oo, siyempre.
Ito na ano ka na ko. Kalalim at haba.
Ilang
Magmamahal.
inches? Ha? Badi daw kayo. Bakit yun?
Sigurado daw.
Pero anak, kung gaano kadako.
Hey ladies, my idol hasn't shown up yet.
Ako.
Yes!
Because you're bastos.
She's
hey, ladies,
tired.
My idol hasn't shut up yet. Why? Why shut up? Ay,
Ako di ako mag-ting. Di ako papaingon.
Shown up.
Makasunag.
She don't have
Energy.
coins to put in the karaoke machine. You're always asking to Oh, that's her. She's
Ronaldo.
tired. She looks tired.
calm down, Ronaldo. It's only probably
one good thing to be young.
Energy.
Energizer Bunny, it keeps going and
Mga
going,
pesato
and
yun,
you
ah.
try to remove the batteries and it keeps going. Oh my God!
Damien.
Ay, aram ko na ang ibig niya sabihin. Pag bata pa, energetic pa.
It's only probably...
We don't need younger men. We need a respectful man.
Yeah.
Loyal.
Loyal one. The one that can love us no matter what.
Supportive one.
Supportive one.
Lovable one. Respectful one. Liki-liki one.
Yes. The best and licky-licky one. Because I'm sleepy, ma'am.
Expression.
Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, Sir Ronaldo.
Because I'm sleepy, ma'am. Thank you. God bless. Yeah. Not actual one. Golden. Welcome, Golden. How about you be respectful and stop reading Cheryl's chat?
Yun. In reply ni Edo.
Kiliki. Diniaraman. Kung ano kung ibig sabihin sa likiliki.
Liki-liki.
Napot ako soon like a boom boom. Yeah, we do that.
A liki-liki and match boom boom.
Yes. That's why I have 40.
Yeah, we all shit.
No, we're not shit. Shit of paper.
Bullshit.
Ala, pinagtatanggol ka talaga ni Mike.
Pinihiran
I love you, Mike.
I love you, Mike. 65 years old or older is not a problem for you. No problem.
Nah, it's
Yeah,
not a
that's a
problem.
It's just not a problem. The problem is the younger than us. We don't like to teach how to do it, how to doggy.
We love older men.
We love old men.
Yes.
I remember.
Willing to
I remember
understand
my-
everything.
Hmm?
Ano daw?
We love. I.
Huh?
We love.
Huh?
We love old man. That's why I remember my.
Legit. Yeah, okay, then you say all we want is sex? No.
All we want is it. No,
No.
not like that. You're wrong. It's not all about sex.
It's all about love, respect,
If
not
you don't-
sex.
If you don't love the person, you don't want to having a sex with him, and you guys are tired.
No,
No, you don't.
we're just full. A lot of foods.
You don't understand us, Golden. You don't know how to. You don't know how to doggy.
Yes.
just a song.
No. We was talk about sex.
No.
No.
You talk about yourself.
Napihiram.
We're not interested in sex.
Sex is just a bonus.
Yes. A big bonus.
Big bonus from.
Yeah, but we move so slow. We don't have the energy. My knees hurt all the time. I wish I had the energy I used to. Oh, Damien, you exercise.
So you need to exercise.
Yes.
Better. Damien, better you need to exercise.
Please,
Less
you
you
can't
can't handle our people.
Our pole.
Our pole.
Handle it to yourself. You're getting to my nerves.
Oh, wait.
What
That's
that?
the wood. Wait.
Oh my God. No, not like that.
Oh, it's so dark, just like
I
you.
be too much for you, girl. No. He?
Huh? Too much? Why too much?
Di may yun talaga, may sunog talaga.
Hmm?
May sunog talaga.
Dari, intention talaga nila masama. Okay, kulang sa ano.
Wala na.
Sabi siya, naghilap ako.
Saan nagila?
Pamili ko to sa ako duwa.
Okay ka, kasi una na, at pagdating na mo, doon ang tinapay. Gusto mo.
Mauman?
Cheryl, he needs to go now.
Uy, mga mukha kulay ko.
Okay. You girls ask for them not too much. Too much for what? I went to school for message therapy and acupressure. So, huh?
Ha?
Cheryl, he needs. What you said?
Thank you for your
Thank you.
Acupressure. So, foreplay and what do you mean, Damien?
I went to
Bye-bye,
school
girls.
for
Thank you
message
for your
therapy. I want to
Bye-bye, Ronnie.
Ano talaga, into sex talaga si Damien
For the
kasi
pool.
foreplay.
I want to troll
Foreplay?
your friend now. Okay. You want to play golden?
You want it up. For the pole? For the pole?
For the poll?
I want to troll your friend
friend
now. What do you mean by troll?
Ano, gusto nila ako mga asarong ba?
Huh?
Asarong.
Oh,
Mm.
we like to troll. We
Well,
like to.
Hello,
I
Manay.
got her hot.
Gary Boy.
Gary
Beer
Bear
Boy.
Boy. Hello, Manay. Hi, Gary Bear Boy. Hain ka. Golden. She's so mad right now.
Oh,
Who mad at you?
me?
At me?
Obsessed with you?
Mad? Here, who?
Oh, me or her?
No, yeah, you are.
Who are you pointing? Me?
Me?
The one in black or the one in blue?
Oh, the one, the black and white or the one who blue? Who?
Tell me.
Golden who?
Tell me.
Tell me how am I supposed to
I know
be
here.
without you?
Oh,
Ay, baka sa pool.
Ako yun.
okay.
So tell me.
Ikaw yan, ikaw.
So tell me, where do I start?
Because you said bullshit.
Cause you're breaking
You said
my
You
heart.
said bullshit.
Okay. Bullshit. Me and Cheryl. Oh, I'm talking.
Okay. You talk to him.
Your place is beautiful, ma'am. Thank you, Ronaldo Rosao.
Rosao. Yun, kanina pa yun si Ronaldo.
Bumangon ka ng araw ng wala natin doon siya.
Mm.
See?
Masalaba.
Acupressure is pressure on certain points of the body without using needles.
Mm.
Message
Ang bagal ng
therapy.
sunshine check.
Massage therapy.
Message therapy. Massage therapy is turning somebody into feeling like jello, where nothing hurts and everything. Okay, it's everything relaxed. She done already.
Ibang turok ang gusto ko.
Sige, pag nagsabi
Abig, acupuncture.
Who the 3 person in background?
Me? My name is Mary Rose.
Golden.
Golden.
And then si Golden, ano? I heard
Retriever.
her too.
Yes, and I'm
Cheryl, check. Okay, wait.
Retriever na din mo. Yan, ano? Ilang pinakagusto ko din.
Hindi mo na sulugan.
Needs to go.
Ayun, ano. Yung papaano sa ako siya.
Si Golden.
Nakay.
Bukaw nila.
Sige, sige.
Nag. Mm. Look out.
I-remove. Hide mo?
Sino?
O si Damien, di napapaudong sa imo.
Sino?
The third person is camera shy. She has glasses. She's cute. And she has a mole on her cheek.
May arong ka daw.
Yeah. Yes, that's Mall of Asia.
Yes! What's your problem?
You have the mole. Yes, a Mall of Asia.
Am I beautiful?
You're cute daw. You're cute.
Sige lang sunod na ni Damien.
Kinakalimot ha?
Mm-hmm.
Kasi ng mole.
She has a mole. Uy, ang samo baga pinahalian sugad
Oo.
siya.
Ito pa man nga ni mama. Pa-laser ng buo. Mga na inatag si mahal na Diyos. Haligon niya.
Pero magayon man, pinahali.
Mga na lagi yung kasi.
Ah, sana all.
Si Ramon.
Ah,
Kaya ka nadali doon. Sabi ni Damien. Sabi niya.
The third person is emotion.
It's very cold here. Oh my God.
Call.
Kantahan na niyo. Iba, makakadto na kita. It's already 2:58.
Too cold. May i-end ko na kay parang na ano may
Yeah.
sasabi siya.
Bye, guys.
Guga, bye-bye, Guga, Guga, Guga.
Go, ga, go.
Guga, go, bye-bye. Sakto ah. Bye-bye.
Sakong pag